Let me start our third example. In third example, we have to find the approximate value of tan inverse of 1.01. So before starting solution, let me analyze this, which thing we have to do here. If there is an identity with a tan inverse of 1.01, so we are examining a function f of x as a tan inverse of x. So what is the value of a plus h? It should be tan inverse of value of a is nothing but 1 and value of h is nothing but point not 1, where h is very small. So we are assuming value of h is nothing but point not 1. Okay, so we finalize the value of a is nothing but a 1 and h is nothing but point not 1. Now, as per our formula, f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. So we have to find f of a and f dash of a simultaneously. So f of a, we get f of a after replacing the value of a is nothing but 1 in tan inverse of x. And what about f dash of a? To get f dash of a, we have to differentiate this tan inverse of x, and its derivative is nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So we get f dash of a, that means f dash of 1 by differentiating f of a. So replace the value of f of a, f dash of a and h in our corresponding formula and solve the solution. So now we briefly study what is the approximate value of tan inverse of 1.01. Okay, so let me start. We are assuming that f of x is nothing but tan inverse of x. So what is the value of f of a plus h? This is nothing but tan inverse of 1 plus point not 1. So observing this identity, we can mention that the value of a is nothing but 1 and the value of h is nothing but point not 1. So we choose a is nothing but 1 and h is nothing but point not 1. Now our formula is, as we know, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Now f of a plus h is nothing but tan inverse of 1 plus point not 1 is nothing but tan inverse of 1.01. So we are replace the value of f of a plus h is nothing but tan inverse of 1.01 and is approximately equal to f of a, but the value of a is nothing but 1. So it should be f of 1 plus the value of h is nothing but point not 1. And what about the f dash of a? I think it should be f dash of 1. And in further calculation, we find the value of f of 1. Similarly, we find the value of f dash of 1. That means we require this identity. So we mention this identity as equation 1. Now, anyhow, find the value of f of 1 and f dash of 1, and we are using derivative here in the formula of approximation. Now for derivative, we have to assume firstly f of x. By using f of x, we find f dash of x, and in particular f of x, we replace the value of a is 1, and in particular derivative, we replace the value of x as a 1. So let me start. We firstly take function f of x, differentiating this, we get f dash of x. So as we know, f of x is nothing but how much? Tan inverse of x. So differentiating this with respect to x, what do we get? We get f dash of x. And derivative of tan inverse of x is nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Now from these two identity, f of x and f dash of x, we have to find f of 1. So just replace the value of x is 1 here. So we get f of 1 is equal to tan inverse of 1. But tan inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 4. And we have to find f dash of 1 again. So f dash of 1 is nothing but replace the value of x is a 1 to the left hand side and in the right hand side also. So 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square. So 1 square is nothing but 1. So it gives 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. So this is the value of f of 1 and this is the value of f dash of 1. We are replacing these values in equation 1. So we mention this equation as equation 2nd. Now what is the next line? As usual, we are putting the values from equation 2 in equation 1. So put equation 2 in equation 1. What we get? Tan inverse of 1.01 is approximately equal to f of 1 from equation 2nd is pi by 4 plus 0.01 into f dash of 1. But the value of f dash of 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. So we get pi by 4 plus, if we simplify this identity, we get that 0.005. If we divide 0.01 into 2, we get 0.005, and this is nothing but the approximate value of 0.01. By using formula, we find the approximate value of tan. Now we start our fourth one example. Find the approximate value of log of 101 to the base e, and given that log of 10 is nothing but 2.3026. Before starting solution, let me analysis which thing we have given here. We have given that a function f of x is nothing but log of x. So we assume that one function is log of x. If we analyze the value of a plus h, this should be log of, I think h is very small. So out of 101, we choose the value of a is nothing but 100 and the value of h is nothing but 1. So f of a plus h is nothing but 100 plus 1. So our value of a is nothing but 100 and value of h is nothing but 1. Simultaneously we have to find two different identities, that means f of a and f dash of a. काय करावं लागेल याच्यासाठी? तुम्ही f of a फाइंड आउट करा दिलेल्या फंक्शन f of x वरून. आता ह्या f of x ची व्हॅल्यू जर log of x असेल तर log of x चे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेणार आपण f dash of x आणि ते आहे 1 डिवाइडेड बाय x. म्हणजे तुम्हाला f of a ची पण व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करावी लागेल, f dash of a ची पण व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करावी लागेल. आपण अजून दोन व्हॅल्यूज काढल्या आहेत a आणि h, बरोबर आहे. फाइंड आउट केलं आपण a h. सायमल्टेनियसली आपण फाइंड आउट करताय f of a, f dash of a, f dash of a. आपला ॲप्रॉक्सिमेशनचा फॉर्म्युला आहे f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Now after finding these two values, we replace the corresponding values in our corresponding formula and we get our solution. This is the analysis. Now we start our solution. So in solution, firstly we assume that a function, if you observe the given identity, let me consider f of x is nothing but log of x. Simultaneously we have to find f of a plus h. I think it should be, as per our analysis, f of 100 plus 1, that means log of 101. So we replace these values in our formula. So what is our formula? As we know, our formula is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. And for that, we are choosing the value of a and h. So we choose the value of a is nothing but 100 and h is nothing but 1. Now, from our formula, as our formula of approximation, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Now value of f of a plus h is nothing but log of 101 to the base e is approximately equal to f of a means f of 100 plus h is nothing but 1 and f dash of a is nothing but f dash of 100. Now in further calculation, we find the value of f of 100. Simultaneously, we find the value of f dash of 100. And we put this value in particular this equation. So we mention this equation as a 1 since we need it. So we find the value of f of 100 and f dash of 100. And for that, we are again using this function f of x as f of x is nothing but log of x. Now differentiating with respect to x, what we get? We get that f dash of x is nothing but 1 divided by x. So derivative of log x is nothing but 1 divided by x. Now replace the value of x is nothing but 100, so we get that f of 100. So f of 100 is nothing but log of 100. But I think log of 100 is nothing but log of 10 raised to 2. Now if we use exponent rule here, what do we get? Log of 10 raised to 2 is nothing but 2 into log of 10 to the base e. So 2 as it is and log of e to the base, log of 10 to the base e is nothing but 2.3026. So firstly we find f of 100 throughout here. So what we get after multiplying? 2 6 are 12. If we carry here 1, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 2 into 0 0, 2 3s are 6 point, 2 2s are 4. So value of f of 100 is nothing but 4.6052. Now similarly we have to find f dash of 100. So we are just putting the value of x is nothing but 100 here. So we get 1 divided by 100 is nothing but 0.01. So we get the value of f of 100 and f dash of 100. And we have to replace these two values in previous one, equation 1. So we mention this equation as 2. Now we are replacing equation 2 in equation 1, and after solving this identity we get our approximate value. So put equation 2. So put equation 2 in 1. So equation 1, start with log of 101 to the base e is approximately equal to f of 100 is nothing but 4.6052 plus 1 is h, so 1 into anything it remains as it is, plus 1 into f dash of 100 is nothing but 0.01. So 0.01 is equal to 4.6052 plus 0.01 is nothing but, if we add these two terms, 6 plus 0, 6 and 0 plus 1 is 1. And remaining terms same as it is, remains as it is. So there is little bit change in these two terms after adding these two terms after the points. So what do we get? 4.6152 as the approximate value of log of 101 to the base e is nothing but 4.6152.